The biggest area for me personally is that I've gone through 14 e-foldings, and the question is how many more can I handle and be successful still with the place? And I'm feeling it, from time to time. I'm feeling wow, these the people we've hired are just tigers, and am I still the right one to do some leading? In a market sense, I don't know if we do gigabit fiber optic stuff. So we do what underlies all the networks on this campus and storage generally on this campus as well for fiber channel. It's sort of the SCSI replacement. In an optical sense for that whole space, I think optics is where electronics was somewhere between 1957 and 1962. In those days, people walked around with 5 transistor radios glued on their ears. And you were jealous when your neighbor had a 9 transistor radio, your friend, because more was better. But in those days, we counted the number of transistors that every person had, or how many ever transistors there were on Earth, and it was about the same number of people. There's more transistors there than there are people. Okay, so we stopped counting. And today, there's about the same number of lasers as there are, less than that, than people on Earth, and photodiodes, for high-speed fiber optics. And the question for my industry is are we going to start counting them, keep counting them, and is the number going to be 1 per person? Or is there reasons for optics and optical things to stop counting things at that level and count them in different ways? So it's that vision thing of where we're going. It's a big deal to us right now. Because if it's not, then we're where electronics was, or even now. I mean, we're maturing. And that would be then we're going to look like steel, and it's going to be this market share business as opposed to growth where everybody grows together.